good. Come on. Just hold my hand. So you know where you're going. That's good. You're fine. Come on. You're fine. Walk over. Yeah.
You're okay.
No, you're fine. Hi.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This is your car. Yeah, this is your brand new 2020. Yeah. You know, you want an SUV, right? I got you SUV. Stop crying. Stop what? Stop crying. It's Mother's Day. Put me happy Mother's Day. Stop crying. Here, let's check it out. As you guys see, man, you know, she wanted an SUV for her whole life, and we got her. Here, go inside. Go try it. Here. Right here. Open it. Like this. Click this 2 times. Click it 2 times. Click it 2 times. 2 times over there. 2 times over there. 2 times. 2 times. Brand new car.
I'm very happy. Thank you.
You deserve it. You know?
Thank you.
You deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, my lovely son. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm so happy.
You deserve it. Shout out to all the mothers out there. Feel me? Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Only تحقص كماي كم أنا زحقصه كم أنا زحقصه بدك كل سب حقص بعدكم تصفى بتعمي حقصتي إيه كم تريوا مالتي بتكبر كل سب ولد حقص ناتي بقى لو واعي كلهم ولدهم كتخبروا كتحقصوا كتصوروا بقى بتحتنا يحاتتني لمنن ولد سي تحقص بقى.
You know, my mom hasn't had a car for like 5 years, guys. Like I told y'all. How you like it? The color?
Thank you. I didn't give you a hug.
Hi guys. As you guys saw, y'all, man. Happy Mother's Day to every mother out there. You know, I just want to thank Mama G Bar for always, you know, working hard and supporting me from the start. Yeah, so this is for her. Also, if you guys didn't know, she dropped her music video right now. Mama G Bar dropped her first song, so check it out right now. Support her. Link in the description. Also, she dropped her own website, mamagbar.com. So if you guys go on her website, you guys can shop coffee, you know, apron, or anything you guys would like. Feel me? So mamagbar.com. Support her. She's gonna start her own business. You know what I'm saying? This is just a start. Love you all so much. Thank you all for supporting us, and thank you. You have anything to say?
Yeah, thank you so much. بدعمي surprise كوينة ببعض درجة أكون لا دعمي كوينة. I was really سنتيدة. جن بدعمي تحقيسة مالتي. أنا بكا دقيمة قبل أزغر زوالة سب حقوس بكا داسي زبلاني كلهم كل ولادو كمتن العلي بالسعر أبتو تداريهم بس تمتك ود بكا عبي خطري أسي كل سبي لا ولادو بحق زلوا خمسين عتاي كأني نعاهم يمن كلهم مالتي زوالتكم زي ولدكم كأب زوالتكم بولادكم تحققوا بولادكم تشبوا كتريوا بولادكم تتقسموا بكا نعطي منيتي.
Happy Mother's Day. Love you all. Peace.